It's my turn.
My turn.
I'm just an extra.
Yes! My dad is late.
Come on, crash, crash.
Ah!
Wow. 吃饭了吗？吃饭了吗 ？Yes.
Wow.
What's up, friends? It's Kenny, and I'm gonna take you through a day in my life. To my crib. My beautiful wife Sarah's over here. You know, I said good morning.
My friends.
This is Kai's room. What is it?
You want the egg?
You want to play?
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
I have to take a puppy.
I take the drive.
Yes.
So you want to walk around with me and we can show everybody the rest of the house?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Look at the Bobby's room. See my mom's room, Kai's room?
My daddy's? Yeah, so this is our room. This is our little picture mural. We have Kai and her older sister Braille. And this is my stepson, Sarah's son Noah. We'll see him here pretty soon. What are we having today, Chef Manigault?
Smoothie.
Smoothie?
Yeah. Oatmeal.
Kai, bacon or eggs? Or bacon and eggs? Eggs?
Yes, please.
You want bacon?
No.
Just eggs?
Okay.
Oatmeal? Just eggs? What do you want? You can go back and play, that's fine. Oh, no, he's not. Hey, you gotta put him on camera because he's so nervous. There you go. This is Noah. Say hey, Noah.
Hey.
Are you nervous? You wanna see Noe?
Hi, Noe.
Play Bluey on Disney Plus. So the sound quality on this TV is pretty good. She likes leaning on people when she eats as well. Or falling on top of mainly her. She treat her as a slide and be like, yay, and slide down her leg. Right, Kai? Okay. Another one? Yeah. So I'm like a drug addict, I guess. It's been helping me since I started taking everything, honestly. She's got me on all of these supplements. She's like my wife, my dietitian, she's everything. So I take one of these, two of these, I'm pretty sure. Then 4 of these things. I don't really like taking these ones. And one of these. This doesn't have this is like fish oil, but it doesn't give you that fishy burp.
Are you talking about the algae?
Yeah.
And it's more ethical.
It's more ethical.
It's more ethical.
It's more ethical, guys. Cheers. Oh, that means it's time to do laundry, babe. I just hit power, then start. I can keep up with how much time is left. So right now there's 54 minutes left. I think that's a pretty cool thing for SAMPO to have for sure. I can be at the gym at practice, or me and the family can be out eating dinner. I can just start the laundry while we're out. So that's very convenient. I'll keep this wild thing tame. So get a little water on it. You know? Moisturize. Then I put a little oil in there. Give it that nice little shiny look to it. Rinse my hands off. Then I grab this little tube right here, my pick. Make it look all pretty. Looks pretty good, right? Thank you. That's how I tame it. But it took me a while to be able to grow this. My dad actually hates it. So anytime if I go to the barbershop with him, he tells the barber, just cut it all off. Cut that off. Because he's upset because he can't grow a beard. But hey, everybody can't be Kenny Manigault. I'm number 1. I'm number 1. I think if Doug was to grow his beard, it'd be a pretty nice beard. But Brian's number 2. And Austin's, he gets it lined up, but it doesn't grow out. So he's not in the category either. It's just me and Byron, top 2, nobody else. But I don't like how I look without my beard. I look pretty young. I don't like it. Babyface Kenny. That's an Austin beard. That's an Austin Day beard right there.
She wouldn't go to
She wouldn't go to me
Yeah,
first.
she wouldn't let him hold her.
I don't know who that person is.
It took her most of the day before, yeah.
I guess she started realizing, oh, that's his voice. Just my imagination. the security guard. Guys, ni hao. Guy, look at the doggy. See the doggy?
He's twice his off.
See some different things out here. We're gonna crash. Woo, good stuff. Come on, man. Go get it. Go get it. Oh, never mind. We're turning this way. Oh, now we're going back. Oh, we're gonna crash, you know? Yeah. Thank you. I got a vanilla latte with almond milk. That's my go-to. You get the coffee close to your person, right? So I put a little vanilla in mine, and she just goes straight black with hers. What does a horsey say? What does a cow say? What does a monkey say? What does the elephant say? Can I look? I said you didn't have to put on like your earrings. You're fine. You did? You did? Look at her. Fancy. This is my grandmother. I call her old lady. I look light skinned. Woo! I just haven't been in the sun that much. I'll see you soon, okay? I love you guys. I love you. Mwah. Oh, đi không?吃饭了吗？对。So if you ever wake up and there's a black guy in your bed, it's him. It's him. It's nobody else. It's just him. He wants to have black skin so bad. What was your time?
10 minutes, 40 seconds.
10 minutes, 40?
Yeah.
Because you're young. And you're so short. Like, look at that. Look at this. My arm is his leg. That's crazy. Second. Very good, very good. In Finland, I felt sick. I felt like something on my chest. I went to the doctor. They checked my heart, and it was like, "Oh, you gotta go straight to the hospital." So they said that I had myocarditis, which is inflammation in the heart. So I had to spend 5 days in the hospital.
Yeah.
And then like none of the doctors spoke English, so there was a language barrier. So they would come talk to me like I knew what they were saying. And then I had to wait for them to call my GM or my coach.
I think that was the scariest just because it was COVID and you were in the hospital and we weren't allowed to come up there.
Yeah.
And it was out of nowhere. Like we went to the doctor for just like, oh, you cold or flu or something like that, maybe COVID. And then they're like,
immediately.
Yeah, an hour later, you gotta be checked in
to
the hospital. I snuck up to the
she
hospital room.
The first night, snuck
like,
up there.
At 3 a.m. I put her in the stroller, bundled her all up,
Yeah.
and snuck up there so I could bring you like clothes. I don't even
Right, I didn't have clothes or anything. Yeah, that was scary
tough.
for sure.
Yeah. 3 deep. We usually do right before the games.
Yeah, like 2 days before the games, and then she does this like an hour before I leave for the games.
It's basically to go ahead and like jumpstart blood flow. So getting the muscles warm so that when he's warming up and things like that, it helps to prevent injury. And it also helps like the warm-up process to go a little bit faster.
I get a lot of massages during the off season.
Yeah. Once or twice a week.
Yeah.
And then we try to do his problem areas.
Yeah.
Or areas, you know, that he's been tighter at least once a week, if not more.
She gave Byron a neck massage, helped him out the day before he made the 7 straight threes. So he was like, oh, I need that every time now.
I've always wanted to help people. I thought about psychology for a long time, but there's a lot more school, and I didn't want to do school. So this seemed like the next best thing. And I've always been fascinated with like athlete recovery and stuff like that, and like the human body's ability to bounce back, especially when it comes to the muscular system. So just intrigued.
She saw my body and was like, nah, I need to figure out. Like.
It's really exciting to me to see like if there's an issue with a muscle and you're massaging it. I like to call it like flutters, like little popcorn it looks like, and it's just like popping, and then the muscle's not tight anymore. That's always exciting to me.
You ever had somebody fart in your face when you're doing a massage?
Yes.
Hey, I'm sure people want to know this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, just twice though.
Just try. You counted?
I
You
mean,
keeping count?
I feel like that's a pretty memorable experience. And they always are so embarrassed, but they don't want to say anything about it.
You just do. Oh my God. Babe, you want to hear what I said about this tattoo?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Time is always moving,
Yeah.
but you're always growing at the same time.
Ooh.
Philosophical.
Yeah.
I need to just change basketball and go to a different degree, become a doctor. Rainbow. I think yesterday was the first day we made a bet. We can't go out without 3 people wanting to take a picture.
At least.
We hit 3.
So that's it. No more.
No more.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. Thank you. Run.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. Bye bye. It's just like flour and scallion. Pretty good.
You want more? She's too focused on the show.
Not looking forward to this. Just it. Oh.
You got it. You got it. Hurry up. Not bad, huh?
The smell comes up in your nose. No. It should be illegal to eat that.
Is that a neck?
A neck? Guts? You eat some guts. Intestines.
Let's go.
Like I said,
Do you see Noe's Pokemon?
Oh. Try again?
yes.
Want to try?
Yes.
Hey! Good throw. Almost. I like your strategy. Pretty good strategy. Alright, here we go. Yeah! We went to one near Bankio. It wasn't this big. It's like a street market or something. I don't know. It wasn't this intense. I like it though.
You heard of one before?
Oh my God. We thought it was the ice cream truck.
An ice cream truck.
That's what it sounds like, but it's just the dump truck. I think it's crazy like everybody just standing there waiting with their trash. Like in the States, it's like, oh, I'll get my ice cream. But here it's like, I got my trash. I got my trash. Sit back. Yeehaw.
That's horse.
A cowboy. Robot. He said, I'm happy because you are here. Oh, give me some hugs. Oh, mwah. I love you.
We met in college first.
I went to high school with her roommate her freshman year, and she came to see me. I think as soon as they left, I messaged her saying,
Messaged my
so
roommate
it's
asking
your
for my
roommate.
number.
I
Yeah.
have her number. So yeah, so that was 2010. But then we went separate ways for 6 years?
7.
7 years?
We got back together in 2017.
Oh yeah. And then we've been back together since then.
Got married for a year.
Married for almost 2 years.
I think taking ourselves to Turks.
Yeah, we went to Turks and Caicos.
That was a pretty romantic vacation.
Yeah. We haven't been on that kind of vacation since somebody came into this world.
But I think the whole just being on the beach and the two of us.
Yeah, not doing
We
anything.
went to a lot of nice dinners.
Yeah, that's true.
Drank a lot.
Turks,
Barcelona.
London, Finland.
At London.
Who'd you go to Paris with? Wait a minute. Who'd you go to Paris with?
But Paris and London.
Okay, Canada.
Canada.
Yeah.
You. Macau.
Macau.
China.
China. And then Wednesday would be Thailand.
Wednesday will be Thailand, so it'll be almost 10.
Almost 10. Yeah, 9. 9 countries. Who would have known basketball would take us all over the world? So nice.
Camera's still here.
Oh, hate to break it to you guys, but it's time for us to go to bed. That's the day in the life. Shift your knee. See y'all guys at the next game.